Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So this morning the plan is, before I head down to the shop, is to stop off at a couple of the junkyards that we have here locally and see if I can find some grill inserts for the 76. I'm not too hopeful, but fingers crossed that I find a couple that are better than the ones that are on here. So I snuck you guys in my my screwdriver bag, looking for some Ford parts. How's it going, man?
Good, how about yourself?
Oh, hanging in there. Oh, maybe there. We might have just got lucky. Nope. 73 through 75, and they are broke. But those hood letters look good, and the grill actually looks really good. Except for that big chingao in the middle. Let's keep looking. Oh, hard to see them in here. It's got a 360 in it. Wow, step in a giant hole. Long bed. Wish I could save them all. Ooh. 79. That's the grill I need. But those inserts are chingowed. And keep looking. Man, how cool would it be to save this little short bed out of the yard? It's the only one I've seen short bed wise. It's been sitting here a long time. It's been hit since the last time I saw it. No luck so far. Still looking. That one's broke. See, I need the left one, but not broken. It's not a halfway bad bed. Crazy. I could have some fun out here picking stuff apart. Look at that. That's a short bed. 2-wheel drive. Frame sitting underneath this thing. Frame's pretty. Whew. Thing's wrecked. Still cool. Still cool. Well, we struck out at this yard. There's one more in town that I want to run over and check, but I got to put you guys back in the bag here so we can get out of here. So I just got to another one of the yards here in town. They have 3 trucks. None of them have grills in them. They do have another truck over the fence that hasn't been processed to come in. It looks really good. Like, it would have been something I would have never sent to the junkyard. Well, I never send anything to the junkyard, but it looks completely straight. There's no rust on the bed, nothing. So I'll give you guys a look kind of as I walk around in here, but I'm going to see if I can talk him into giving me a call when it's processed, and I'll come in and I'll just pick that thing apart completely and take everything that's new or in good enough shape to just be recycled into my truck. Yeah, it blows me away. Okay, so this is a 79 F-150. This bedside looks pretty good. And I thought about just taking the whole bed, but you look at it a little further, and instead of fixing it, they just packed it full of Bondo. So, who knows? There's another truck. It's all pretty well picked over. All right, so I think we found the old Ford trucks. They've got a bunch to choose from. hopefully we can find the grill insert that we need. We have tons of super cabs. That's a bump. So here's 70, 78, 79. That's got a killer grill shell on it, but no inserts. So keep rolling. Let's take a look at the front of this one. Aftermarket 79. Ooh, baby. Here we go. Broke. Damn it. So, this is the best candidate so far, but they're broke, or they're cracked. If I can't find anything better, I might come back for these. Let's keep going. I'm really hoping to find these inserts. It would absolutely make my day. Those ones might be really tough to get to, but they might actually be good. Oh, shit. Broke. It's not even worth going after. It's broken. Man. Keep looking. Waffle in the back, but not bad overall. It's definitely not a short bed. Except they had a short bed back here. I need to go look at that silver truck. But I was just going to walk this ridge the rest of the way, since it's the easiest walking. I don't see anything though. Look at that. I'm not going to pay what he's going to ask for it, but that looks pretty straight. Set this down for a sec. Because it'd be a shame if that got wrecked. Wow. Got one little chingal in it. But other than that, that's in great shape. So, other than the one little waffle in the top, I mean, it's very little. I mean, I don't know. That's really clean. I'm gonna remember this is back here, just in case I kind of get desperate and I decide I want to change the grill on the Bronco back to its original, because that is straight. Wow, that's straight. kind of back to this one. I mean, I guess I did look at the silver truck. This is the one that had the mostly straight with some cracks in them. I don't know. I mean, it's better than what I have. So I'm half tempted to pull him and see what he's going to charge me for him. I mean, he could be reasonable or he could absolutely hammer me. So I'm going to go ahead and pull him. If he'll do them for 15 bucks a piece, I'll buy them. Let's go see what I can get them for. Obviously, you know, they're broken there and broken in a couple of other spots, you know. So if he's reasonable, these are going to go on the highboy. Like I said, you know, they're broken, but if he's reasonable and he'll take a decent price for them instead of trying to gouge me, I'm all about it. I think they'd fit really nice in the highboy. I mean, obviously they're not perfect, but highboy is not perfect right now, so it's way better than what's in there. So I'll catch up with you guys after I make it back up front, have a chance to chat with them, and get back in the truck. So fingers crossed. Well, good news is I got them. Bad news is it wasn't as good a deal as I was hoping for, but still, doesn't matter. It's going to look way better than what's on there currently. So let's go ahead and get those installed. Damn, I love it. So that's what we were working with before. There it is now. She's got a fresh face. It's not perfect, but man, makes her look great. That makes me so happy. I've been waiting a long time to give her a facelift. Even though it's not the perfect facelift, I think it fits the truck. And I'm really happy with it. So, you know, that's really what counts. I appreciate you guys checking out this video. I wanted to share with you guys real quick a new app that I've been playing around with. It's called Amino. You know, it's all about the car community. They've got a lot of cool people on there, a lot of great content, and you guys need to check it out. You can find me on there if you want to, but it's an app that every car guy should have. So hop on, check it out. It's called Amino. You can download it in any of the app stores. Yeah, hope you guys check it out. Again, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to check out the video today. If you enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.